Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Romi Cnc combination lathe. It's a model M17. It was new in 2000. It has a GE Fanuc 21IT control. The Dorian tool post, coolant system, all your manuals down there. First we'll start just with jogging. That's your Z-axis. You have electronic hand wheels on both the X and the Z. Start your spindle. Come over here. That's 500 RPM. That's 1000 RPM. That's 1500. Spindle's nice and quiet. It's about 1800 RPM. Again, spindle's nice and smooth. There's your rapid. There's your X. Also have the tailstock. Lock works. Machine's presently wired 220 volts. Can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.